Today we are going to do some exercises about how to convert the general form of a circle into the standard form of a circle, and then find the coordinates of the center of the circle and its radius. If you don't know how to convert the general form into the standard form, feel free to watch my last video, General Form of a Circle to Standard Form. Let's say we have the equation x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. What we are going to do now is to bring the constant term 1 to the other side, which then becomes -1. And rearrange the equation, placing the x's first and then the y's. So we get x squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 4y. Make sure you leave space here and here. Now we are going to complete the square for x and for y respectively. In other words, we have to complete the square twice, one time for x and one time for y. Recall that we take half of the 2, which is 1, and then square the 1, which is still 1. Same with the 4. The half of 4 is 2 and 2 squared is 4. Don't forget to add 1 and 4 also to the other side of the equation. -1 and 1 cancel each other out, and we keep the 4. Now we have two perfect square trinomials, which we can write as two perfect square binomials, x something squared and y something squared. Do you remember what we put in these empty spaces? Just the half of -2, which is -1, and the half of -4, which is -2. If you want, you can verify that these perfect square binomials are equivalent to these perfect square trinomials. Feel free to write it in the comments how you would. Now we have the standard form of a circle, where we can easily identify the coordinates of the center of the circle, which are 1, 2, and the radius is 2. Because we can think of the 4 as 2 squared. Or just take the square root of 4, which is 2. Let's look at the next example. X squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 12y plus 52 equals 0. Again, what we are going to do is to bring the constant term 52 to the other side, which then becomes -52. And rearrange the equation, placing the x's first and then the y's. So we get x squared plus 10x plus y squared minus 12y. The half of 10 is 5 and 5 squared is 25. The half of 12 is 6 and 6 squared is 36. The half of 10 is 5. And the half of -12 is -6. Oh, don't forget to add the 25 and the 36 also on the right hand side. 25 plus 36 is 61, and 61 minus 52 is 9. So the center of the circle is -5, 6. And the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. What about this example? X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 equals 0. We bring the constant term 9 to the other side, which becomes then negative 9. And on the left hand side we get x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 8y. The half of 6 is 3 and 3 squared is 9. The half of 8 is 4 and 4 squared is 16. Plus 9 plus 16. Negative 9 and 9 cancel each other out and we keep the 16. The half of negative 6 is negative 3 and the half of 8 is 4. So the center of the circle is 3, negative 4. And the radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. X squared plus y squared plus 14x plus 22y plus 145 equals 0. We bring the 145 to the other side, which then becomes negative 145. And on the left hand side we can write x squared plus 14x plus y squared plus 22y. The half of 14 is 7 and 7 squared is 49. The half of 22 is 11 and 11 squared is 121. (49) plus 121 is 170 and 170 minus 145 is 25. And on the left side we get x minus the half of 14, which is 7 squared, plus y plus the half of 22, which is 11 squared. So the center has the coordinates 7, negative 11. And the radius is 5. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.